So why did I start Trial Lawyer Nation? Well, I got into podcasts last year, and I was looking for a podcast that would be relevant to me as a trial lawyer. And I really didn't find anything that gave us what we needed. That is, getting better at trying cases, how to run a law firm in a way that will let you work up your cases right but still have a life, and how to effectively and ethically market yourself to get new cases. So I reached out and I found that I knew a lot of the leading experts in the field, and they were willing to come on board and interview. So we started this podcast in the hope that it can help you improve your practice and your life. Not only do I get to share with other people what I'm learning, but I'm getting to meet with some of the biggest experts and learn from them in our field. I mean, we have high-profile trial lawyers that I've interviewed. We have some of the best people in marketing, some of the best trial consultants, and some of the best law firm management consultants. I'm learning so much just by talking to these people, and I think you will too. Not only do we want to be good lawyers, but we also want to have time to enjoy the lives that we have. That's why we're not just talking about trial skills. We're talking about management. We're talking about marketing. We're talking about other ways to have you have a law firm that supports your life instead of the law firm becoming your life. I think every plaintiff's lawyer should listen to Trial Lawyer Nation because it's going to make your life better. You're going to learn more about trying cases, and you're going to hear from the people that have gotten some of the biggest verdicts in the country, how they did it. You're going to learn how to market your firm and get better cases. But most importantly, you're going to hear from people about how to manage your law practice so that you can achieve great things and still have a life.
We look forward to talking with you again soon as we continue to explore powerful insights from our amazing hosts and remarkable guests here on Trial Lawyer Nation. Until then, please be sure to subscribe and review this podcast on iTunes or your favorite listening app so we can continue to reach more listeners. Visit us at www.triallawyernation.com to send us a message, listen to previous podcasts, or learn more about Michael Cowen and our guests. This podcast has been hosted by Michael Cowen and is not intended to, nor does it create the attorney-client privilege between our hosts, guests, or contributors and any listener for any reason. Content from the podcast is not to be interpreted as legal advice. All thoughts and opinions expressed herein are only those from which they came.